Hi and welcome back. As you remember, in our previous video, we have created a new directory on the server. We uploaded our video clips to our server, and we got connected this directory with our application. Before moving further, let's take a look and discuss two new features of application. Themes and tags. Basically, themes and tags are doing the same thing. They are helping to organize our media library, our video clips, by grouping them up. One media file may have only one theme assigned. It is a primary grouping criteria, while it may have multiple tags. That is the main difference between themes and tags. Let's take a look at our video clips. As you can see, we have some videos with animals here, some videos related to cars, a couple of videos related to cats, something related to food and nature, and so on. We can use those criteria to add new themes. Okay, let's start and create a couple of themes. The first one can be cats. Let's create cats, and we can give it some description, just like that. Let's save it. Now let's create another one. Let it be nature, maybe. Okay, creating nature theme with some description as well. Save it, and let's make the last one for our demo. Animals. Okay, let's add some description to this theme. All right. Now we have 3 new themes, and let's create some tags. Just remember, we will use those tags and themes a bit later. So for now, let's just create a few tags for a demo. Remember that tags and themes are not logically connected to each other. Those are two separated things. Let's add a cats-related tag first. Cute cats. We can give some description, or we can leave it blank. Like, description will help us to recognize what this tag was created for in the future, but it can be blank. So, let's add something here. All right, we have one tag created. Let's add another one. Let's skip the description to speed up the process. Let's add something about nature, for example. Let it be ocean landscapes. Great, and let's create another one for animals. Let it be birds, for instance. Okay, that's great. Wildlife. We can use this format, or we can type like this or like this, just freestyle. I'm naming tags in 2 words with a space in the middle, but it can be 1 word, so it is really up to you. It can be uppercase or lowercase or start with hash, like hashtag. It's absolutely up to you. Your choice. Just do you best. So far, we created some tags and we got some themes, so we can use those records to organize our media library later and schedule the content of the stream based on the themes and tags. Those two things are really important for stream producing. But in general, we can skip this step as well and push the content of the stream without any tags or without any themes, just in a random rotation mode. Themes and tags, especially tags, will work much better for larger media libraries. The larger the library, the more effective usage of tags is. Especially for really large libraries with thousands of records, even for hundreds of records, having tags is extremely profitable to more accurately tune up the content of the stream. For smaller libraries, probably having themes is more important. Anyway, using themes and tags is a great way to organize a stream, following your ideas and style, and to juice it up. Thank you for watching, and see you later.